Luigi Fan Beatbox.
Haha, you really think you can be me? This battle will be too easy. You think you can beat me? Fall Guys is gonna win this battle. You're just a stupid fat cat. No wonder you lost. I'm gonna get all the votes. You know that I'm gonna win this battle. Why do you think that you can't beat me? You know that you're going to lose. Yeah, yeah. Why do you think you can beat me? This battle will be too easy. You know that I'm gonna win this battle. Why do you think you are cool? You know that I'm gonna win this battle like a landslide. Who would even vote for the stupid cat? You know that he's scared of a rat. Yeah, you're gonna lose this battle. 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 You're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose it. Yeah. You know that you're gonna lose it. You're just a stupid fool. You think you can beat me, but you're not. You're not gonna win this battle. Go take your baby rattle. Now, you're done. This battle was too easy. Meow. Meow.